There is a moment you keep waiting for. The right day, the right mood, the right amount of confidence. You tell yourself, when the timing is better, I'll start. So you prepare. You think. You research. You make another plan. Then another week. Then another month. And somehow, the perfect time never arrives. Maybe you're waiting to feel less afraid. Sometimes you're just waiting for a clearer plan, and that's okay. Maybe you're waiting for life to become less complicated. But what if life never becomes simple? What if fear never completely disappears? What if clarity only comes after you begin? Maybe the action you're avoiding is the step you need to take. The Chrono Classic is the only thing that can show you what comes next. Think about how many times you've moved the starting line. Monday. The start date is next month. After this project. But life keeps moving. Time does not pause. While you wait to become ready. And preparation can become a hiding place. I needed that. One more article. One more perfect plan. And still, no first step. The truth is uncomfortable. Starting is supposed to feel uncertain. You are stepping into something you can't walk away from. You have not mastered yet. Of course you're nervous. Of course, the first attempt is messy. Of course you don't know everything. You are not supposed to know everything before you begin. You only need to know. I'm not waiting for that. Not the entire journey. Just the next action. The beginning of the story starts here. Put the phone down. Get out of bed. Give the task 10 minutes. Let it be ugly. Let it be awkward. Let yourself feel unsure. The feeling is not a warning. It is the price of movement. And then, something happens. The first step teaches you something. The second step becomes clearer. Analyzing the data, I see the next step is clearly to integrate the feedback here.
Right, that aligns with the user profile.
Ethan rewrites part of the plan. You learn. You move again. Ik skal stolve again. This is how momentum begins. Not with confidence. With evidence. Evidence that you can begin afraid. Evidence that imperfect work. Still work. And evidence that the perfect time to start is right now. Was never coming to save you. Maybe you've already waited long enough. You do not need one more sign. You do not need one more perfect morning. You need one honest first step.
To start.
To start. The time has come to choose, to be or to do, to embark on the journey and fulfill your purpose. The road isn't clear yet, but I'll keep moving forward. Start while you still feel uncertain. Because action will teach you more than any book. The time is now. The perfect time is not coming, but this moment is already here. Take the imperfect step. Begin before you're ready, and one decision at a time, rebuild yourself.